Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.